So I just tested the Xiaomi 17T Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in a live zoom comparison, and honestly, this one got interesting fast. At 1x and 3x, both phones look pretty close. You're getting sharp details, solid colors, and honestly, most people wouldn't notice a big difference here. But once you hit 5x zoom, things start to separate. The Xiaomi 17T Pro actually holds up really well, thanks to its dedicated 5x telephoto lens. It keeps textures smooth, and surprisingly, colors look a bit more natural in some shots. Now the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This is where it flexes. At 10x and beyond, it pulls ahead hard. Details stay sharper, edges are cleaner, and when you push into extreme zoom, Samsung is just more usable overall. But here's the twist. At normal zoom levels, Xiaomi feels more consistent and less overprocessed. So the winner? If you care about insane long-range zoom, Samsung takes it easily. But if you want balanced, natural-looking zoom at mid-range, Xiaomi actually surprises a lot here.